Welcome to our guide on enabling notifications for the recommendations board on Pinterest using your PC. With the latest update, Pinterest has made it easier than ever to stay connected with content that you might love. Let's walk through the steps to ensure you never miss out on those personalized recommendations. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see the Pinterest homepage filled with vibrant pins and boards. Next, look to the left side menu of your screen. Here, you'll find a gear icon which represents your settings. Click on this gear icon to proceed. This action will take you into the settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Pinterest experience. Once in the settings, locate the notifications section. This is where you can manage how Pinterest communicates with you. Under the Notifications tab, find the option labeled Boards and Search. This section is crucial as it allows you to adjust your notification preferences specifically for boards. Now, within this area, look for boards you might like. This feature is designed to keep you updated on new boards that align with your interests. To enable notifications for these recommendations, simply click on it. After clicking, you'll see an option for Push Notifications. Make sure to enable this feature so that Pinterest can send you alerts directly to your device whenever there are new recommendations tailored just for you. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save button to ensure all your changes are applied. This step is essential. Otherwise, your preferences won't be updated. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled notifications for the recommendations board on Pinterest. Now you can enjoy a more personalized experience and discover new content that resonates with your interests. Happy pinning!